Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto basil pasta full guide. Gather 2 cups basil, 1/3 cup pine nuts, 1 clove garlic, 1/2 cup parmesan, 1/2 cup olive oil, salt and pepper, and boil your pasta. Toast nuts gently, pulse basil, nuts, garlic, and cheese in a blender, then slowly add oil for a creamy texture. Toss sauce with pasta, adjust seasoning. Making pesto is simple and forgiving, and you can adjust to taste as you go. Start by gently toasting pine nuts for a few minutes, then combine basil, nuts, garlic, and cheese in a blender or mortar. Slowly add olive oil while blending to control texture, then taste and season with salt, pepper, and a little lemon if you like brightness. Keep it rustic or smooth depending on your preference. When the pasta is ready, save about 1/2 cup of the cooking water before draining to finish the sauce. Off the heat, combine the pasta with pesto and a splash of reserved water to create a silky coating that clings to each strand. Plate immediately with extra parmesan and a drizzle of olive oil, and sprinkle toasted nuts or lemon zest for contrast to brighten the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.